we are moving into week 3 of online marketing. This week you will be working in 103 and 104. One thing that I might want to mention as far as your grades go, after each Monday's due date, I use backslashes in the grade book to remind you of work you have missed. It counts it as 0 and brings your grade down, but if it's a backslash, you can do it and make it up. I cannot put backslashes in your quizzes because then it won't allow you to take them. So you have to make sure you take your quizzes. With that in mind, we're looking at 1.03, which is employment opportunities. You've got your learning targets and your criteria for success, your vocab. Here's the note sheet if you want to print it out, or you can just make the notes on regular paper. And you're going to do some career research. I've got a worksheet for you to fill out. You click here and make a copy of the document, and you will fill it out online. You will try to find each jobs within each of these areas of marketing using these two websites here, and you will turn that in. Then you have the 103 quiz. Then we jump right into 104. So there's not a lot to 103. Marketing strategies. You have, again, your learning targets, your vocabulary. You have a discussion right off talking about Mattel's criticism, or the criticism of Mattel and their Barbie. And you will read this article and discuss it here. Make sure you reply to any questions I asked. Then you'll take your notes, pick the mix, questions using the chapter book above it. And then you have a Shark Tank worksheet that you will do. And please make sure you've got time to watch this video because it's about 40 minutes. And you make a copy of that document as well. And it has for you to fill in for the 3 different pitches that you saw in the video. And that is all you have to do for 1.04 and 1.03. So this week isn't that bad. You just got to carve out that time to make sure. And if you have anything that you didn't do from last week, make sure you get in there and get that done. If you have any questions, send me a message via Remind or an email, either way, and I'll be glad to help you. Have a great week.